Finally, my dream is coming true. Some years back, I must have wished that I want to go to a place with my husband, and finally that's happening. Yes, of course, there are many places that I visited with him, but this particular place was always that we wanted, and I don't know. It took almost like 17 years to be there. I feel, but at the end, it's all going to be worth it, and yeah, we're excited. So bags are packed, like bags are packed. Room is a little mess right now because there is packing happening and everything. And yes, tonight is the flight, and excited us are here ready. We had been to snow place last year, Kazakhstan, so we had some idea how cold it could be, and packing prep was done basis that experience. And rest, as usual, YouTube, our teacher is always there. We completed 17 years of marriage, and it's our first Europe trip. And it's an anniversary gift for us by us. We have traveled together to few places before this, like Sri Lanka, Bali, Baku, Georgia, and Kazakhstan. Okay, even India. I know, yeah, Indians. We packed our bags, and bags were full with few clothes as we were going in December. That means our jackets, winter stuff was to help us to cope the winters, the snow, and the crazy cold. We called cab, headed to airport. Airport was crowded as it was UAE National Day time. That means long holidays, which means most of them would be traveling. Anyways, we managed our bags, clearances, and ready to fly. We took Turkish Airlines. Now, a little bit of backstory. Europe was not on our list for this year, but we were trying to opt which place to go, as each year we have promised to travel one place together. And 2024, it was busy for both of us, yet I managed to travel with my friends and family while he couldn't make it. Albania, Armenia, Kyrgyzstan, Turkey were on the list for us to travel. While checking with travel agents due to holiday time, it was either busy or we're not getting proper replies. Suddenly, while scrolling on Instagram, we found this ad from Musafir, so sent a WhatsApp message to them. They replied next day and shared all the details that I had requested. It's a group package, everything will be taken care, including visa, hotel, etc. And the itinerary shared was quite good. Honestly, the honestly, Europe was the place we did not want to explore all by ourselves, so we were okay to go along with this option. Firstly, it could be expensive, and then things that we hear did not let us take that risk. We negotiated with Team Musafir. We will pay the amount only once we get the visa, because visa is always a challenge to, especially Schengen visas. Because if the visa is not approved and if the amount is paid in full, then refund takes around 45 days, as agent had mentioned. Couldn't block such huge amount. I know, yeah, it could be little amount for some, but for us it was a big amount. As mentioned, package was inclusive of all the details mentioned on the flyer, like hotels, travel, airport pickup and drop, side tickets, etc. So it was a good itinerary for the first timers. We submitted the documents as requested by Musafir and won't believe within 10 days they managed to get appointment, and within 2 to 3 days we got a Schengen visa which was valid for 1 month with multiple entries. We were on cloud nine, and then what? Already started planning to pack. And then Instagram started to push Paris reels. Almost every next reel was about Paris. And out of five, four were negative. The excitement that was on cloud nine was totally sinking somewhere. But now we already paid the amount as we discussed with the agent. Now can't even back out from that. Anyways, told ourselves, let's go, let's not worry, but be careful about our belongings, especially our passport and our credit cards and our IDs. Bags packed, and finally the day is here. Dubai Terminal 1, and then to Turkey, and then to Paris. In midst, made him do some reels for me, had some good food at the airport. And let me tell you, Terminal 1 in Dubai was like walk and walk and walk. We lazed around until a flight and then boarded the flight. Flight got delayed due to the bad weather, hence landed few minutes later than planned at Turkey, and due to which we missed our Paris flight. Another level of panic kicked in and felt, yes, here it starts. But then the staff at Turkish Airlines, without saying a word, managed to get us a next flight, which was an hour later. That was so freaking amazing. But little did we know, we had to walk miles and miles to reach to catch the another flight because the Turkish airport was stunningly massive compared to Dubai terminal as well. But it was fun anyways, walking all through those, watching all the brands and the stores that were available at the terminal. And we managed to catch our next flight. And here we are heading to our dream place. And here it is. We're just arriving there. Now, stay tuned for the part two where I explain about our day one and day two in Paris. It's basically a day and a night. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more exciting videos of my Paris and entire Europe trip. Thank